Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by preparing a focused environment so dependencies stay predictable. Create and activate a virtual environment, then install Flask or Fast API. This gives you a lightweight server to serve HTML. Next, create a project folder with app, py, and a templates and static directory for HTML and CSS. Once done, add a minimal route that returns render template, index. HTML so you can iterate quickly. Make sure to save often and keep the terminal ready for errors. Now connect your Python routes to HTML and CSS. In Flask, use render template to serve index. HTML and pass context variables. In Fast API, use Genya2 templates. In SureLinks, use URL for static, filename equals styles. CSS, so CSS resolves regardless of route. Organize CSS under static/CSS and reference with URL for. Test by running Flask run or Uvicorn app reload. Then open the browser and inspect network to confirm CSS and assets load. Adjust paths when templates are nested. Finish by wiring interactivity. Submit forms to Python endpoints and return updated templates or JSON responses for fetch calls. If using fetch, set headers and handle JSON on the backend. If using forms, validate and redirect after post. For deployment, configure static file serving and a WSGI/ASCII server like Unicorn or Uvicorn. If something breaks, check Browser Console for 404 or MIME type issues, and review server logs. These 2 checks resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.